You have invested your hard-earned money in mutual funds. But wait, what if the app that you are using suddenly shuts down? Will your money vanish? Or will your SIP stop? And what about your tax reports? Don't worry. Today we'll go deep and answer. Is your mutual fund money truly safe if your investment app disappears tomorrow? Stay till the end because knowing this can literally save you lakhs of rupees and years of panic. Hello friends, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Bosswala English. Let's start with the basics. Banks are regulated by the Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI, right? So similarly, mutual funds are regulated by SEBI, the Securities and Exchange Board of India. That means no asset management company, which we call as AMC, like SBI Mutual Fund, ICICI Prudential, HDFC, Nippon India, Axis, Kotak, Parag Parikh, Edelweiss, Quant or others, can just take your money and disappear. They must follow SEBI's rules very strictly. So your first layer of protection is SEBI is watching. Now here's where most people get confused. Apps like Grow, Zerodha, Paytm Money, ET Money, Angel One or Upstocks are only distributors. Think of them as shopkeepers. They give you a platform to buy or sell mutual funds, show your portfolio and make investing easy. But here's the truth. Your money never stays with the app. Example, you invested 10,000 rupees in Nippon India Small Cap Fund through ET Money. That money goes directly to Nippon India AMC. The fund manager there decides how to invest this in stocks. So even if ET Money shuts down, your money is still with Nippon India AMC, which is safe and recorded and managed. So if the money is not with the app, where exactly it is? Your mutual fund units are stored with registrars and transfer agents, mainly CAMS, CAMS and KFintech. They act like big safes that keep a record of all your holdings. And here's the best part, that all your investments are linked to your PAN card. So no matter which app you used, your investments can always be tracked. What if the app shuts down? So let's say tomorrow the app that you use, maybe Grow, Zerodha or Paytm Money, that closed down. Will your investment vanish? So the answer is no. You can still check your details on the AMC's official websites like SBI Mutual Fund, HDFC Mutual Fund or Nippon India. Log into Mutual Fund Central, CAMS or KFintech to get a consolidated view. It's like this. Imagine you booked a train ticket through an app. Even if the app disappears, your ticket is still valid with Indian Railways. Same logic here. Okay friends, before moving forward, I want to tell you about one more investment which is most important for you and your family's financial future. And in this, Policy Bazaar is helping you with their term insurance and health insurance. Their term insurance premium starts with just 699 per month, where you can get a coverage of up to 2 crore and they are also giving 15% discount. Their health insurance starts with 400 to 500 rupees per month premium and they are giving a coverage of up to 1 crore. They are also giving 30-minute claim support and more than 50 insurers are listed on their platform where you can just check and select which one is best for you. The link is in the description. Do check that out. Let's move on to the video. Now what about the SIPs and the withdrawals? What? Because the question is good. What happens to your SIPs? So if the app closes, your ongoing SIP might stop, but you can restart it easily through another app or directly with the AMC's website. And now if you want to withdraw money, no problem. You can redeem using your AMC's websites or via CAMS or KFintech using your folio number. So again, the app is only a bridge. Your actual money is safe in the AMC's vault. Now the tax reports and the account details, because this is another worry for the investors that they have. What about my tax reports? So even if your app shuts down, you can download all capital gain statements, account summaries and tax documents directly from Mutual Fund Central, CAMS or even from AMC's websites. So you never lose access to your financial history. And yes, your personal and financial data is protected. SEBI rules make it compulsory for AMCs and platforms to secure your data. So the closure of an app does not mean that leakage of your private information will be there. Now you might think that what will be your action plan if an app suddenly closes? So do not panic. Your money is safe and always keep your folio number, your PAN number and your registered mobile number or email ID handy. For details, you can log in into Mutual Fund Central, CAMS, KFintech or AMC's website. Restart your SIPs through another app or AMC portal. For withdrawals, you go through CAMS, KFintech or AMC websites. I know it's little inconvenient, but it does not harm your actual investments. So the truth is, your mutual fund money is always safe with the AMC and it's not with the app. The app is just a middleman. So if your app shuts down, you may face temporary discomfort, but your investments remain 100% secure. So do not let fear stop you from investing in mutual funds, because in the long run, mutual funds sahi hai. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. And if this video cleared your doubts, so do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more personal finance clarity. And I'm Mansi. We'll see you in the next video.
Boss Wala. Be the boss.